The video begins with an engaging animated sequence designed to capture the viewer's attention immediately. A friendly greeting is presented to establish a positive and welcoming tone for the weight loss journey. The opening sequence sets a positive tone to encourage and motivate viewers throughout their weight loss process. This video provides a practical guide to weight loss through simple changes in diet. The approach emphasizes exercise and habit adjustments, avoiding unrealistic or rapid solutions. The weight loss strategy focuses on sustainable lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes or magic formulas. Adopting healthier habits can lead to increased energy levels and improve physical well-being. Cultivating positive lifestyle changes contributes to enhanced happiness and emotional resilience. Consistent self-care practices foster greater self-confidence and a positive self-image. Focusing on adding more fruits and vegetables is a key component of smart eating. Increased consumption of fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins and nutrients. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods reduces the space and desire for less nutritious options. Using smaller plates is a simple trick to help control portion sizes. Smaller plates create a psychological effect, making the food portion appear larger. This perceived increase in food volume can lead to reduced calorie intake. Listening to the body's hunger cues is essential for making conscious food choices. Differentiate between genuine hunger and boredom-induced cravings to promote healthier eating habits. Conscious food choices are facilitated by understanding the body's natural signals. Healthy snack options, such as fruits, nuts, and natural yogurt, should be readily available. Choosing healthy snacks helps to avoid unhealthy, processed alternatives. Smart snacking promotes better dietary habits and overall well-being. Drinking water, especially before meals, helps manage hunger effectively. Adequate hydration levels are essential for overall health and bodily functions. Drinking water before meals supports weight management and reduces overeating. Initiating physical activity can begin with simple exercises, such as walking. Dancing offers a fun and accessible way to incorporate movement into a daily routine. Choosing stairs over elevators provides an opportunity for gradual physical progression. Short exercise sessions, such as 10-minute home workouts, can be a viable alternative when time is limited. Brief bursts of activity can provide significant health benefits, comparable to longer workout routines. Integrating short exercise sessions into a daily routine can improve overall well-being and fitness levels. Exercising with friends or family enhances motivation. Social activity makes physical exercise more enjoyable. Shared exercise promotes sustainability in physical activity habits. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining optimal overall health and well-being. Sufficient sleep directly impacts energy levels, enhancing physical and mental performance. Sleep deprivation impairs cognitive functions, leading to poor judgment and compromised decision-making abilities. Stress can significantly hinder weight loss efforts by disrupting metabolic processes and increasing cravings. Meditation reduces stress by promoting relaxation and mindfulness, which can lead to better dietary choices. Engaging in relaxing activities, such as reading or spending time in nature, can lower stress levels and support weight management. Weight loss is a gradual process that requires consistent effort over time. Celebrating small victories helps maintain motivation and reinforces positive habits. Maintaining a long-term perspective is crucial for sustainable weight loss and overall well-being. Weight loss is a journey of progress, not perfection. Self-care is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle and sustainable weight management. Patience is key to achieving lasting results in weight loss. Liking the video helps spread positive vibes and encourages healthy living. Sharing the video supports the channel's mission to promote healthy living. Increased likes and shares amplify the reach of content promoting healthy living. Subscribe to receive practical health and wellness tips. Join our community for ongoing motivation and support. Build a healthier lifestyle with our expert guidance. Engage with the content by sharing personal experiences in the comments section. Connect with others by sharing your goals and aspirations. Foster a supportive community through mutual encouragement and shared stories. Various healthy activities include physical exercise, such as hiking. Yoga is a healthy activity that promotes flexibility and mental well-being. Preparing nutritious meals is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. Nutritious foods include a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, and other healthy options. A balanced diet incorporates diverse food groups to ensure optimal health. Visual appeal enhances the perception and consumption of healthy foods. Simple graphics are effective for illustrating concepts like portion control. Visual aids can clearly demonstrate the benefits of hydration, Clear and concise graphics enhance understanding and retention of health-related information. Smooth transitions maintain video pace and viewer engagement. Dynamic transitions enhance visual storytelling and create a seamless viewing experience. Effective transitions guide the viewer's eye and connect different segments of the video. Upbeat music enhances video positivity and energy. Motivational music creates an engaging video atmosphere. Audio elements significantly contribute to the overall video experience. A friendly voice tone is characterized by approachability and warmth. An empathetic voice tone conveys understanding and consideration for others. Maintaining a friendly and empathetic tone enhances communication effectiveness. Enthusiastic and credible voice tone enhances information, delivery, and audience engagement. Judgmental language should be avoided to foster a supportive and inclusive environment. Promoting a supportive environment encourages open communication and mutual respect.